Roman numbers, objectives, rules of Roman numerals and illustrations. A group of pupils led by a history teacher went to a museum in London. While observing the ancient items, the students surprisingly asked their teacher, as they could not understand what was displayed as MCMVII. Then the teacher explained to the students that it is the year of inauguration mentioned in the Roman number system. Roman numerals are a system of numerical notations used by the Romans. Roman numerals are used to refer to kings, queens, emperors, and popes. For example, Henry VIII and Louis XVI of France. Numerals can often be found on buildings and monuments to signify the year of construction. For example, a building built in 2004 may have the numerals MMIV engraved on it. Let's explore more about Roman number system. There are 7 basic symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D, and M, which represent the numbers 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, and 1000. One or more symbols are placed together to form a number. Example, VI equals to 5 plus 1 equals to 6. The Roman numbers do not follow the place value. Each symbol has a definitive value. There is no symbol for 0. There are 3 rules for writing the Roman numerals. A. Rule of repetition. B. Rule of addition. C. Rule of subtraction. Rule of repetition. When a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. M equals to 1000. MM equals to 1000 into 2 equals to 2000. MMM equals to 1000 into 3 equals to 3000. Symbols I, X, C, and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. 1 equals to I, 2 equals to II, 3 equals to III, 4 equals to III is wrong. We cannot write like that. Symbols V, L, and D are never repeated. That is, symbols for 5, 50, and 500 cannot be repeated. Rule of addition. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Let us consider Xi. X has a value of 10. I has a value of 1. So the Hindu-Arabic number of Xi equals to 10 plus 1 equals to 11. Rule of subtraction. If a symbol of smaller value is to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. Let us take one example, XC. X has a value of 10. C has a value of 100. The Hindu-Arabic number of XC equals to 100 minus 10 equals to 90. The symbols V, L, and D cannot be subtracted from any number. For example, 95 cannot be written as VC, 100 minus 5. 95 can be written as 95 equals to 90 plus 5 equals to XCV. I, X, and C are used to subtract. There are just 6 combinations. IV equals to 5 minus 1 equals to 4. IX equals to 10 minus 1 equals to 9. XL equals to 50 minus 10 equals to 40. XC equals to 100 minus 10 equals to 90. CD equals to 500 minus 100 equals to 400. CM equals to 1000 minus 100 equals to 900. Converting Hindu-Arabic numbers into Roman numbers. A number containing several digits, as in the Hindu-Arabic system, from left to right, can be written in an expanded form and then converted into Roman numerals. For example, 39 equals to 30 plus 9 equals to xxx plus ix equals to xxxix. 246 equals to 200 plus 40 plus 6 equals to cc plus xl plus vi equals to cc xl vi. 789 equals to 700 plus 80 plus 9 equals to dcc plus lxxx plus ix equals to dcc lxx xix. 2421 equals to 2000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 1 equals to plus cd plus xx plus I equals to CD XXI. Some special cases. Missing place values. 160 equals to 100 plus 60 equals to C plus LX equals to CLX. 207 equals to 200 plus 7 equals to CC plus VII equals to CCVII. 1009 equals to 1000 plus 9 equals to M plus IX equals to MIX. 1066 equals to 1000 plus 60 plus 6 equals to M plus LX plus VI equals to MLXVI. Roman numbers for large numbers. Numbers greater than 4000 are formed by placing a dash over the symbol, meaning times 1000, but these are not commonly used. Examples: IV bar equals to 4000. IV bar DCXXVII equals to 4627.